Hey, welcome along. I'm going to share some of my favorite shoulder exercises, strengthening rehab posture, however you want to use it. You can do this 3 times through if you want to, or just 1 time through till you're strong enough. Start low and build up, but going up further doesn't mean you're stronger. If you go slower, it means you're stronger. Let's go. So first of all, we're going to come down. You'll notice I've got my shoulder attachment on at the bottom. So hopefully you've got one. Breath in. If you haven't, just use the base. Come on down, lie down, and you want your chin just at the top of the glide board. Put your hands nice and wide. Otherwise you can have them on the base or on the floor, depending on what floor you've got. Breath in, and now squeeze your buttocks. I'm going to take my legs wider in case any of you are tall. You just take your legs wide. Breath in and push away. Now, if you're feeling you're touching like I am, the lap bars, you just cross at the ankles. And away you go. You keep the glutes on, breath in and push. You'll notice I am not jamming my elbows. We're here to work muscle. We're not using elbows. We are really building up strength around the shoulders. Exhale as you move away. Exhale, move away. Like I said, start low until you know how you're doing with your technique and your repetitions. So higher repetitions. I'm just going to do 2 more. And breath out. Come down, grip the tummy, lift up, flick yourself around. I've already got my lat bars down. I'm going to put my feet onto the shoulder press. I'm going to come forward and put my chin at the front of the glide board. Go nice and wide. Same rules, you can have your legs wide if you're a bit shorter, or just cross and squeeze the buttocks. Exhale, move up and lift your chest from the glide board. Exhale, lift up. Check my elbows, they do not drop to the floor. You're doing shoulder glides. Your shoulders, your scaps are moving down towards your hips. Breathe out when you pull, and inhale, come back. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, come back. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, come back. Exhale, breathe. Inhale, back. One more. Exhale, breathe. Inhale, back. Feet go down before you come down. I'm going to do 1 more set. You're welcome to do 4. Turn around. Come back down to the bottom of the glide board. Lie yourself down. Hands wide. Cross. Exhale, push. And you'll start to notice second round feels a little tougher. Breathe out. Elbows in line. We never snap our elbows, guys. Really keep a check on that. 4 more. Last 2. Nice work. Close the glide board. Tummy on before you get up. Pull up on your knees. Walk yourself around. Put your feet onto the shoulder press. Up, plank, down we go. Grab the lats, cross the ankles. Exhale, coming up. You want to get that lift in. Feeling this right down your back. You'll feel the lower back is doing a little work too. Put that gentle brace on your tummy. Breathe out. 5 more. Breathe. Remember, if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. So it's just as much your mind as anything else. Breathe out and coming down. Feet go down. Hold on. Breath in, come back up. I'm going to put my feet into the middle now. I'm going to come into a narrow grip. Tricep on the knees. Making sure my shoulders directly over my wrist. Zip on the tummy. And I'm not dropping my head. Breathing out. 4 more. And 3. And 2. And 1 more. Nice work. Feet down, close your glide board. Lat bars go up. Attach your arm fully. Coming into what we call snow angel. We're going to come to the bottom of our glide board. Grab your handles. Remember, we always get on at the bottom. just because we do. Come and sit, tuck into the tummy, roll your way down, arms come back over, hold, get yourself into position, zip the tummy, bring the lower back down, breath in, arms come over, pinch your shoulder blades together, thumbs go up, open, always think like an eagle with long wings and strong wings. Breath in, open, grip the tummy to hold, exhale, come down. Breath in, open, exhale, 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 down. Open, exhale, down. You've got 2 to go. Breath in, open, exhale, down. Body heat's going up. Breath in, open. Exhale, come down, arms go over. Exhale, full pull over. Inhale, roll back up. Come right to the top. Flick your arms, your cables under your armpits. So I'm going to do that one more time. Handle. Bring the hand around and under. If you can't do that, because some people can't, is you just put your hand on the outside. Okay, so you've got 2 options here. Take one of them. Tuck, lean forward. Deltoids, side of your shoulder. Lift. Beautiful deltoids instead of having what I call ski slope shoulders. We want to keep those shoulders nice and toned, especially when we're aging. Okay, exhale, open and down. Open and down. Open and down. Whew. Holding that glide board still, tummy's on, gripping with your inner thighs. There's a lot more than shoulders working here. And lift, and lift. We have one more. Exhale and lift. Okay, we're going to finish with a couple of tricky ones. So listen up for the safety. We're going to turn around. I'm going to take it down a little bit, because technique is everything in this. And it is not easy. Anchor down for your safety. Come onto your knees. Sit down. Remember, you can put a cushion underneath. Drop the right one. Keep the left one. Put it into the right hand. Opposite hand behind you. Breath in. Reach forward. Now, if you see I bottomed out, all you do is bring your knees down so that the glide board stays open. Lean forward. Breath in. Come up. And reach. That is super hard work. Breath in. So I'm a little bit high here. Come back and lift. And come back down. You only want to do 5. Breath in, pull and lift. And come down. Breath in, pull and lift. You've got to get that elbow behind your body. One more. Breath in, pull and lift. Nothing easy about this one. Safety, change hands, anchor down. If you know you have a weak arm or you're in rehab, you need to come down. I'm taking it automatically, opposite hand, coming back down. I'm going to shimmy down a little bit more. I'm going to put this hand here. The reason being is I don't want that shoulder forward. I want the shoulder back. Breath in, come down. Pull and open. You're certainly going to find out which one is weaker. Pull and open. Pull and open. Pull and open. 2 more. Pull and open. 1 more. Pull and open. Beautiful. We're going to finish with circle lap pull with kneeling single rows. Breath in. Reach forward. Pull up in your belly. Come down. Exhale, come through the water. Inhale, come back. Grip the tummy before you come up. Pull back on the right, or you will do a nose dive. Left. Come down, pull up in the tummy. Come down to the floor. Come back. Pull into the belly. You need your glutes and your belly on, or you will fall. And coming back. Pull back in, exhale through. Inhale, come back. And right. And left. Tuck in and come through. Come back, and right, and left, tuck in and come through, 2 more. That was 1. Last time, pull up in the belly. Coming back and pull. And pull. Tuck in, drop down, anchor down, step down, cables come back. Take your hands behind you. Go ahead, roll the shoulders back. Thank yourself, thank your body. And I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can repeat this as many times as you want. The beautiful little shoulder toning exercise. Group put together just for you. Don't forget, subscribe, hit and share. Thank you.